Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. I'm currently on a series that I started with a $1,200 micro ES account using TopStep Forex funded money. If you're interested in the idea of TopStep and earning their money without risking any of your own, check out those links down below. So today, quick day, traded, so it's 11 o'clock Central, markets open at 8:30 Central. Got into my trade for the most part at 9 o'clock Central, so a little over a 2-hour trade. Netted $1,000. Was targeting a little more than that. Was targeting up at 94, but with what I was seeing, it looked a little weak and wasn't willing to kind of wait it out on a potential range day for a few $100. So stats on the day, we batted 100%. Average trade time was 1 hour and 20 minutes. And after fees and commissions, which were only $20 today, we netted 1,013. So the $1,200 account is now at 9,500, which is happy with that. Here you can see it's still pumping up a little bit. So I'm just going to talk through my trade and go from there. So this was right at the open, right after the open, took a short here. Really was just looking for this first test, best test scenario of this wick that was untested. And that was just a quick little scalp for like 50 bucks. Then basically what I noticed was there was weak selling pressure as the price was going down. And it looked like we were accumulating on the lows here. And as I saw just some more selling pressure coming in while there was no real sellers present, I decided to buy up the lows here. So you can see my 3 entries. My max drawdown on this trade was like around $200, I think. I was long from the average price of 271. And so, yeah, max drawdown of about $200 and 1,000. So I've been getting a lot of questions about my stop loss usage and drawdown techniques. I am a early entry for the most part trader, looking to average in. So I'm not really concerned about it, but just so that I can stop getting as many questions, I am looking to typically get about a 1-to-1 return on depending on how much risk I'm putting out there. But today it was great. I was basically in profit the entire trade, minus this one little pullback here, but I was expecting this, as mentioned in my chat, just to trap some more shorts up here. I mean, look at this hammer also. This is like bound to go down. So was really just looking for not getting a new low on the day. I would have cut the trade there. But since that didn't happen, we just basically bounced right off my entry, which was the value area low, and ripped up to new highs. It was a very easy trading day. It basically just took a lot of patience and willingness to kind of chop around a lot. This 82-83 range was just chop central. A lot of rejections, and finally we pushed through it, and that's when I ended up cutting it. Even still, the NASDAQ looks a little weak compared to the ES. I think this is going to roll over, to be honest. And I can see the ES following suit, which is why I cut my long. Not really looking to get short or anything the rest of the day. I'll probably just take my money and run. But that is the quick recap of the trades today. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. If you like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. I appreciate all the love lately. Join the Discord, do all that fun stuff. I will see you in the next video. Peace.